Are you wanting to add a thank you message to your Etsy customer? So after you have a customer that purchases something from your shop, you can have it automatically send them a message. And this is really, really great tool to use. I have tons of messages. I don't want to show you them, but I get messages every single day on how to download their digital items. I sell a lot of printables in my shop and digital items, and they want to know how to access them. They don't understand how to do that. So I actually created a tutorial on how to download digital files from phone and desktop. So I'm going to add that to a message on Etsy. So I'm going to have a little thank you message that I wrote up that has the link right here, and then also a thank you message telling them to rate my shop and the item they purchased, as well as some other tutorial videos that they may be interested in. So I'm going to have a message to them for thanking them for their purchase. So I'm going to show you how to do that here. First thing you're going to do is in your shop manager, you're going to go on the left-hand side to settings. Then you're going to go to info and appearance. Then when you scroll all the way down, you see two messages here. So you can do message to buyers. This would be anyone that makes any type of purchase in your shop. This is great if you have regular items that you sell, like physical items that you sell and ship out. And then also for digital items. So for this one, message to buyers, if you have physical items that you sell and you typically ship out once a week or every Sunday, different things like that, then you could say, thank you so much for your purchase. Please rate and review. Your item will be shipped on Sunday or within 3 to 5 business days or whatever it may be. And you can have that here so that they know when to expect it. And just a reminder of when to expect it. And then digital items, you can say, thank you for your purchase, this is how you access the items. Or if you want to link directly to my tutorial as well, you can link directly to my tutorial with my YouTube channel, this channel here, Tutorials for Entrepreneurs with Kellyanne Smith. And that way you can just say, here's a video that she made, here's how you download your items. And this is a great way that they can access them. So what I'm going to do is just copy and paste this message here that I have previously typed up. And then I'm just going to paste it here in my digital items. You can even add emojis as well, which is awesome. And then save changes. So after they make a purchase, this message will automatically be sent to them, which is awesome. And that has that step-by-step right here, how to download. Now, sometimes people don't pay attention to this, and I can just copy and paste it into a message to them directly as well. So that is how you add a thank you message to your Etsy customers. I have a full list of Etsy tutorials. So if you want to know pretty much anything about Etsy, then I probably have a tutorial for you, and I'm constantly making more tutorials as well. So comment down below, what tutorials do you want me to make for Etsy? And I also have a link in the description for my friend Sharon's amazing course on Etsy called the Etsy Entrepreneur. If you want to learn how to make more money through Etsy, then definitely check that out.